Hello and welcome back to my another quick unboxing and review video. In this video I am going to share with you quick unboxing and review Samsung Galaxy A06. So let's take a look. This is my Samsung Galaxy A06, how this phone box exactly looks like. So I'm going to unboxing this box and then I'm going to share with you what inside this box or how exactly the Samsung Galaxy A06 phone looks like. After unboxing this Samsung Galaxy A06, inside this box we'll find here our Samsung Galaxy A06 smartphone, a USB-C charging cable, a SIM ejector and a quick start guide. Here we go, this is my Samsung Galaxy A06. So if I jump over this phone by side, in the front side we'll see there is a front facing camera. If we jump over in the left side there is a SIM card and SD card slot. If we jump over in the right side there is a volume rocker button, power button. If we jump over in this phone button we'll see there is a SIM headphone insert slot and USB charging C slot, stereo speaker. If we jump over in this phone backside, we'll see there is a two cameras with LED flashlight. So now I'm going to turn on this Samsung Galaxy A06 and then I'm going to set up all those additional setup in our phone. Here we go, this is my Samsung Galaxy A06 after doing all those additional setup. And this is the home screen, how exactly this phone looks like. So if we jump over in this phone by in button, there is a back button, menu button and recent button. And if we jump from swipe right to left in the quick access area, you can easily go here from quick access area, do any whatever you want, any quick action. If I jump over in this phone dial pad section, this is the phone and dial pad section, how exactly looks like. If you go about back and then if I jump over in this phone settings section, this is the phone about settings section, and if I jump over about phone, this my phone about section. If I jump over this Samsung Galaxy A06 camera section, here's the camera section, how exactly looks like. So if I click here portrait, you can easily take a picture through portrait mode through this Samsung Galaxy A06. Also you can take a normal photo 1 or 2x zoom. Also you can record a video, or if I jump over in this mode section, you can easily take pro panorama, food, night or slow or hyperlapse video through the Samsung Galaxy A06. Samsung Galaxy A06 comes with a 60Hz refresh rate, 6.70-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 720 into 1600 pixel. Samsung Galaxy A06 is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio G85 processor. It comes with 4 GB of RAM. The Samsung Galaxy A06 runs Android 14 and is powered by a 5000 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy A06 supports proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy A06 on the rear pack a dual camera setup featuring a 50 megapixel primary camera and a 2 megapixel camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies featuring an 8 megapixel sensor. The Samsung Galaxy A06 runs on UI 6, is based on Android 14 and packs 64 GB, 128 GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded by microSD card up to 1 TB. The Samsung Galaxy A06 is a dual SIM mobile. The Samsung Galaxy A06 weighs 180 grams. It was launched in black, gold and light blue color. Connectivity options on the Samsung Galaxy A06 include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth version 5.3 and USB Type-C with active 4G on both SIM card. Sensor on the phone include fingerprint, face unlock. Here is some picture taken by Samsung Galaxy A06 and you can see how beautiful color correction and how also I really appreciate about this phone taking the picture with portrait mode. This is my Samsung Galaxy A06 front-facing camera in night, how exactly looks like. So I am now using my Samsung Galaxy A06 and you can hear the sound and video quality from this phone front-facing. I bought this phone from local market which cost me 355 real if we convert to dollar, which is cost you around 65 USD. So this is a great phone with large display and with a beautiful color and with lightweight with budget. That's for now. I hope you really enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family.